Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put a BMW 3 Series in reverse. First, always ensure your vehicle is completely stopped before attempting to shift into reverse. This prevents any potential damage to the transmission. Next, familiarize yourself with your specific BMW 3 Series gear selector. Depending on your model, there might be a button, a lift ring, or a specific movement required to engage reverse. We will cover both common types. For automatic transmissions, the process is quite straightforward. You will typically find a small button on the side of the gear selector. Press and hold this button while simultaneously pushing the selector forward towards the dashboard until it clicks into the R position. You should see the letter R illuminate on your instrument cluster, confirming that reverse gear is engaged and ready for use. If your BMW 3 Series has a manual transmission, engaging reverse involves a slightly different action. You'll need to locate the reverse lockout ring, which is usually found directly beneath the shift knob. Pull this ring upwards with your fingers, then move the gear lever into its designated reverse position, often to the far right and back. The reverse lights will illuminate, indicating successful engagement. Once you've engaged reverse, it's crucial to confirm everything is safe before moving. Always check your mirrors and, if equipped, your rearview camera for any obstacles. Listen for the beeping of parking sensors, which provide an additional layer of awareness. Finally, gently release the brake pedal and apply minimal throttle to begin reversing slowly and carefully, maintaining full control of your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.